welcome to my channel. In today's episode, I will talk about HLOOKUP function. In my last video, we discussed about VLOOKUP with exact match and VLOOKUP with approximate match. So let's start by discussing what is the difference between HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. The full form of HLOOKUP is horizontal lookup. Now, what do you mean by horizontal lookup is if my lookup value as well as entire table array is presented horizontally. So in this case, now this example, I want to get a total sales value for Q1 and this value is available in the second row and it is available in E2, right? So I want to find out from this record what is my total sales value, and similarly from this record how much is the total quantity that was sold in Q1. So the structure of the database is horizontally updated, unlike VLOOKUP. So if I go to this sheet, if I want to explain it to you, my data was presented vertically and I wanted to also find out the per unit cost for each of these items from this table array, and this value was available in the vertical format. So I was searching for this value which was updated in this one column only. However, in the HLOOKUP example, I am looking for a total sales value which is divided into different columns and in single row, right? So in this scenario, I cannot select just one column. I will have to select this entire cells in order to get the total sales value for Q1. So that is a major difference of HLOOKUP and VLOOKUP. However, the functionality is similar, meaning it searches the output result that you are looking for the lookup value, right? So if you want to find out what is the total sales for Q1, I can easily select this, I can copy it and I can paste it over here. However, I don't want to do that. Let's understand, let's say if you have so many records and you want to find out for each of it, it will be very difficult for me to search one by one and paste it over here. So we can simply avoid manual work by applying formulas. So guys, let's get started now. First, I'll start with equals to sign and I will type HLOOKUP and bracket open. Okay, so we see that it is asking for a lookup value. As I mentioned earlier, lookup value meaning it has to be present in both the data sets, in your table array as well as where you are looking for an output. So my lookup value is nothing but Q1, which is available over here and as well as in this table array as well. So I have selected A6 comma. Now I need to select table array, and in this example my table array is starting from A1 to, let's say, R3. So I have selected the entire table now. Now comma, it is asking for a row index number now. So in this case my row index number, unlike VLOOKUP where it asks for a column index number, because we select number of columns and you need to define which column number or from where you are trying to fetch the output. In this example, I am looking for a total sales value which is the second row, or the position of that row is second starting this row, right? So I have selected 1, 2, 3 records. Out of these 3 records, my output value is present in the second record. So I will type 2 in that case. So 2 is nothing but your row number where your output result resides, and that is the number that you want to update over here. Again press comma, and range lookup asks for whether you're looking for exact match or approximate match. I did explain the difference between exact match and approximate match in my previous videos. So if you want to know more about what is the difference between exact match and approximate match, I suggest you may refer to my previous videos. Now I am looking for exact match over here, so I will press 0 and bracket close. I will hit enter and let's find out whether it is giving me the correct result or not. So Q1, yeah, it is absolutely correct, guys. It is giving me the correct results. Let's try to copy this formula down and let's find out whether the formula is working or not. It does not work, right? I did explain it to you. The reason is we did not freeze the column and the row numbers properly. So let's do that. I will freeze the table array. I need to freeze this entire portion. So we need to select everything, this entire table array, and hit F4. As soon as you hit F4, you see the dollar signs in the before the column number and as well as before the row number. So dollar 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 dollar. Now let's hit enter and let's copy and paste it from Q1 to Q4, which is 6th to 9th row, and let's find out whether it is matching or not. Let's see the total sales for the year. It is 10952,882. Yes, it is absolutely matching. Let's also try to copy it to the next cell where I want to find out the total quantity that was sold. It is not working, right? And that is, again, we need to fix it. We need to fix the lookup value over here, which is this one. So A6. In this scenario, I just want to fix the column and I don't want to fix the row. Okay, so I will type dollar sign before a so the column number gets fixed and it does not repeat the same row number, it only repeats the column number. So if I copy it, let's see, now this is B, and if I copy and paste it over here, my column did not change, it remained as it is, right? However, it is giving me the same result as the total sales because we have to change the row index number, right? It is giving me the output for the second row and my total quantity is available in the third row, right? In the third row. So I'll have to replace this 2 with 3 and I will again hit enter. Let's find out whether it is matching. For Q1, total quantity is 4460. Yes, it is matching. Let's copy it from Q1 to Q4 and let's find out whether this is matching or not. 18033. Yes, it is matching. All right. So guys, this is how HLOOKUP formula works. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please do write in the comment section. And if you have any queries or any suggestion as to what should be my next video, you can also put that in the comment section. Do not forget to like this video, guys, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you find this channel helpful and if you're able to learn Excel formulas, please also do circulate in your circle to your friends, to your colleagues, and to your family. And thank you so very much, guys, and happy learning.